Calvin Fish with Speed TV. For Team Acero Highcroft Racing, the championship finale is this weekend right here at Road Atlanta, and the stakes are definitely high. Earlier, I had a chance to talk to the Acero engineers and lead driver David Brabham.
Yeah, I mean, you know, one of the nice things I like about this sport and motor racing is the fact that it's not just about on-track activity in terms of racing. Yes, I do love that. I love pushing myself, whatever, but it's also working with the people behind the scenes as well.
Motor racing is really not like your mainstream stuff. You know, it's a lot of having to be very flexible, shoot from the hip occasionally, but again, it's all in precision. You know, when we have to make a sudden decision, split decision, if you make it the wrong way, it can have affect the outcome of the race, or, you know, what you've done to the car.
It's the same thing we deal with on a daily basis. It's precise, it's fast-paced, it's ultimately a team effort to accomplish one goal.
I love having the guys here. We have 2 young engineers here. Great guys. I mean, they're gung-ho.
We get to see our parts in action. We get to see what we do actually performing on the track, and you get a sense of purpose. You know what you're doing and what it's involved with.
You know, with the drivers, we ask them to be precise on the track. They're running 180 miles an hour. We want them to be within half an inch every lap of the apex of one corner. They have to do that. If we don't give them the car with all the precision on it to do that, they can't complete their job.
It's all precise stuff. Whether it's a race car or a spinal screw.
It's fascinating to see how fast-paced and how organized everything is, you know, especially with how fast it's going. There's no scrambling, not knowing where things are. Everything is laid out, you know, and they have it all planned.
The average punter, the average fan, doesn't quite see what happens behind the scenes. It's a shame because they really get a good understanding of it, but if you're outside, you're not really going to see it. But, you know, we're under such a very tight framework in terms of time. We have to come up with the right decisions at the right time under that type of pressure.
It is a completely different environment. You know, down here it's fast-paced. Everybody's got to go, get everything done. You know, on TV, you go to a commercial, you don't see what happens behind the scenes, but there's no commercials here.
When you've got a lot of, you know, intelligent people working under that pressure, it's beautiful to watch. In fact, sometimes it's better when we do have a problem.
They're calm, cool, and collective even when the pressure's on. You know, they don't hesitate, they don't stutter, they just get it done.
Our partnership with Acero is paramount. I mean, they can do such great precision engineering. When you ask them to do something, you never have to second guess it. It's always done right the first time, the quantities are correct, everything's just perfect from them.
It's a team effort. I mean, everywhere from, you know, getting raw material to a finished part, everything in between, it's a team action. Everyone's responsible for their part in order to put out a product at the end.